Get set up correctly to use water-activated tape. In this video, we're going to provide new users of the product the 4 most important setup tips. Let's go. At Holland Manufacturing, we manufacture water-activated tape. Despite 60 years of experience producing the product, the performance of water-activated tape is heavily dependent upon how the adhesive is activated by you, the user. Water-activated tape has a dry-to-the-touch adhesive applied in our manufacturing process. The adhesive becomes active with the correct application of water, which is a process that you control. Here are 4 tips to help you achieve maximum consistency with your tape. Tip number 1, water. You need clean water properly applied to the tape to activate the adhesive. Make sure the reservoir bottle is filled. If you don't get enough water to the adhesive, you will only partially be activating the tape, yielding a superficial bond. With the proper amount of water, the adhesive will feel fluidic and will dive into the corrugated for a fused bond. Tip number 2, water temperature. Holland recommends a water temperature of 110 degrees Fahrenheit for maximum adhesion results with our water-activated tape. Most modern tape machines have an electric heater that rests on top of the brushes. This assures the water interface with the tape is warm. One issue we see is setting the heater thermostat too high. If you overheat the water, the adhesive will close too fast, meaning the adhesive sets before you can get it onto the box. Also, you will see a faster buildup of adhesive residue on the brushes. Tip number 3, brush maintenance. Cleaning your brushes should be a normal operating procedure for any user of water-activated tape. Holland recommends cleaning the brushes once every 1 to 2 weeks, depending on usage. Cleaning the brushes is easy. Remove the brushes from the machine and run them under hot water. You can introduce mild soap to help break up the adhesive. If the brushes are very dirty, soaking the brushes for 15 to 20 minutes in hot water should help break up the additional adhesive. Brushes also do not last forever. They're a wear item. With steady use, brushes should be changed every 2 years on average. Tip number 4, keeping the tape straight. Tape machines have metal guides inside of them to help keep the tape aligned correctly during application. You can easily adjust these guides. They do not need to be touching the tape on both sides, but they should be fairly close, within about a ½ an inch to make sure the tape is controlled as it unwinds. Let's review. Tip number 1, water. Clean and ample water supply within the tape machine will activate the adhesive correctly. Tip number 2, water temperature. At 110 degrees Fahrenheit, the adhesive will perform best. Tip number 3, brush maintenance. Clean and replacing brushes on a schedule will enhance the product performance. Tip 4, keeping the tape straight. Use the guides in the tape machine to assure proper unwinding of the tape roll. We appreciate your interest in Holland's water-activated tape and hope that these tips help you have more success with the product. We'll include additional information about the tape and the dispensers in the description below.